right, if you're going down the list, Harley wants you to check the rear axle nut torque spec. We're going to do it while we got the muffler off. You know, you had the caliper off, do the brake pads. Now you got a lot of access to get to this nut. Now if you have owned Harleys before, especially baggers, 36 millimeter socket, pretty big. A lot of people, you know, they got the thin spanner wrench that can sneak in here. Problem with this is you don't know what you're torquing it to. So what we're going to do here is we're going to compress the suspension again because this bracket is just not allowing us to get in there. I don't want to take the whole exhaust system off to get to it. So we're going to just kind of compress it again. Plenty of room. Now you don't have to take the circlip off, check the axle torque. My 3/8 torque wrench, that exceeds the parameters on this. This thing only goes up to 75 foot-pounds. So you got to get old Big Betty here, and you know, if you're going to spend the money, you're going to work on your motorcycle, you're probably going to want to get the 1/2-inch drive torque wrench. 95 to 105 foot-pounds is what Harley's saying. So that's torque to spec. I mean, if you bought the motorcycle used, you don't know who's been putting tires on, you don't know who's been working on this motorcycle. It's probably a good idea to just check that. Pretty straightforward. We can kind of take the tie down off here. Pretty simple. Okay, let's move on down the list.